We will talk about Toshiba VFD error code double EEPROM fault one. So this is the error when we are writing some data into the double EEPROM. So that is not possible to write. Okay. So normally it occurs when there is a issue into the memory card of VFD. Okay. So in that case, what you can do, you need to try restart your VFD, and after restart, you can try it again, try to write. And if still this error is coming, in that case, it will be repair only. So for that, you can contact to your manufacturer to whom you have purchased this VFD. They will support you, or they will replace this VFD. Normally, control card change. If control card will be changed, so it will work again. If your problem is still not resolved, first you have to take my membership, and then you can write a mail to me with detailed problem with a screenshot of the membership. I will provide you solution, and I will give you one PDF also which will help you to resolve all your issue, and I will support continue.